bump. Coming through. Ready to roll. Here comes the speed bump.
Hey everybody, we've got brand new Ben 10 toys. Look at this. It's brand new from Toys R Us, and this is the Heatblast Rocket Flyer. Whoa! He's got fire that he launches, and look at that character. This is really, really neat. And we already did a video of the Diamond Head tank. Whoa! It's got a drill, and it launches. Here, watch this. Boing! Very cool. And here's our Diamond Head character with his tank helmet on, and he is really, really cool. We even did a video with this guy in it. It's Cannonbolt. He is really cool. He powers up. Ready to roll. So you have to watch that fun video. And look what else we have. It's Ben Tennyson and Gray Matter. Which of the Ben 10 aliens are your favorite? Is it going to be Heatblast, Diamond Head, Four Arms, Gray Matter, Cannonbolt, Accelerate, Stinkfly, Overflow, Wildvine, or Upgrade? Which one of these is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. I'm really excited to see which ones you guys like the best. And we're gonna unbox Ben, and we're gonna unbox Heatblast. Woohoo! This is really cool. So first, let's go ahead and get Ben out of his box. Gray Matter has a little stand that he comes with, and you can put him on there. And then here is Ben, and his legs move and his arms move. Woohoo! What a cool figurine. Now the back of the box says Gray Matter may be small in stature, but huge in intellect, which means he's super smart. This slimy alien is stronger than he looks. Gray Matter proves that sometimes brains really do beat brawn. So he is really smart. And we've got this, came in the box, and it shows some of the cool toys. And look at this. It's the Rust Bucket Transforming Playset. Isn't that neat? Starts out like this, and you transform it into this huge playset. And we've got this coming in the mail. So we'll be doing a video of it real soon. Here's the Heatblast Rocket Flyer. And now we're gonna get it out. There we go. Are you ready? Whoa! That is so cool. Let's get Heatblast out of here. Wow, look at that cool outfit. I love this guy. His arms move. He is ready to fight the bad guys. And here is Diamond Head. So now we have 3 of the 10 aliens from Ben 10. I can't wait to get the rest. We've got it out of the box, and it comes with 2 stickers that you need to put on. One goes right here, like this. There we go. And then one goes on the inside. There we go. And it says Energize. And Heatblast should fit inside here. So let's see if we can do that. Oh, he fits perfect. Look at that. And then we have to put his wingtips on the back. There we go. That's better. And now it's all put together, so we can launch some fire blasters. They go in right here, one on each side, and boing! Woohoo! We're taking out Dr. Animo. He's not going to be able to win today. Boing! Very good. So, Ben 10 can turn into Heatblast and take this awesome vehicle. Or he can come over here and turn into Diamond Head. And here we go. Hop in the tank. And, uh-oh, where's our blaster? We need it. Here we go. Ding! Load it quick. And, boing! That one went off really far. Do it again. Woohoo! We did it. So we've got Heat Blast and Diamond Head. Oh, and don't forget Gray Matter. And then here is Ben. I hope you guys enjoyed this cool video. If you have any questions, place them in the comments. And subscribe to my channel for lots more toys.
Cannonball coming through. Ready to roll. Here comes the speed bump. Cannonball ball.